All right, so here's the LaserJet Pro M15W. That's the world's smallest laser printer. Got a laser printer because we print a lot here, of course, mostly in black and white. So this is only black and white. But the laser printer should last a lot longer than a normal printer. So let's crack her open. In here we have power cord, pretty standard cord, 3-prong there, of course. Just some stuff to hold it. Instruction manual, USB cord. This will work wirelessly. It does come with the CD if you need to set up some settings there. I won't be using that probably. This is shockingly small. Here's the cell phone, so you can see. This is the LG V60, which is a large phone, but it's not. I mean, it's 6.8 inches, I think. Warning. Let me untape stuff first. It still doesn't come out. I see. I have no idea what I'm doing here. I'll assume those come out. Same with this thing, or maybe not. Maybe I just broke it. This is why you should always read directions. No, it says pull it out and take those little yellow tabs off. So I was right. Never read directions. I guess the slot's in there. There's little slots. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. There you go. It just kind of falls in there. And this guy says paper goes here. All right, you got some paper. There's the power port. And here's the USB. We're not going to use USB though. Go ahead and load the paper up. There's these little things here to adjust the size of the paper. Alright, so we got the paper in. Now we'll press the power button. So that part works. So I did this part. Now it just tells you to go to this website. I'm gonna use my phone. Let's look at the QR code, and then you can tap here to go to the browser. Now I'm on a Samsung Galaxy Note 20. And now we install. It takes you to the Play Store, of course. I will install HP Smart, and then I'll finish the rest, I guess, on the phone itself. Now I'm opening the app, accepting terms. All right, so I'm gonna set up a new printer. I need to add a printer. Now we're searching for printers. All right, so now we're connecting to it this way. That makes more sense. All right, so now we're continuing. Now we'll connect to my Wi-Fi network. Go back to HP Smart and see what happens. All right, let's add your first printer. All right, so it's not working very well on my Samsung. Let's try it on the old LG. All right, so same thing. Let's try again. I keep getting stuck here. Alright, so I tried twice on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and the LG V60, and I couldn't get to find the printer from the app. So now I'm going to try the website version. And here you're downloading a program. This, of course, takes a Windows computer. We're going to use it with Chrome. Alright, I am not plugged in USB at all, so let's try again. Continue. Alright, I am going to use the wireless network. There's no touchscreen. My printer does support a USB connection. Alright, so I guess you have to use the USB setup. So for me, this is not a problem because I have a Windows computer right here. I purchased this printer for my wife who's going to be using it on a Chromebook. Now, of course, she probably wouldn't set the printer up without my help anyhow. But it would be problematic if you didn't have a Windows computer, I believe. And maybe a Mac option, but as far as if you're just on a Chromebook or a phone like it advertises, then you may have a problem setting it up. Alright, so now it instantly finds it when I put it on there. There's I call my wife Lur. And this is her home, so Lur Palace. Weird, you gotta put this in here like this, but I'll do it. Alright. So now my Eero has found the new printer. I'm gonna call it LaserJet. Alright, so now it says remove the USB cable and then select control panel to disable the USB. And this seems like a lot of work. Well, it's offline anyhow, so. Oh, I guess I'm supposed to delete this one. I don't know if I have an HP account. I'm just gonna create an account. Let's do the full software. That took a super long time to download that, which I don't know why, because I have a fast connection. Alright, I already did all that. Seems like you'd want to do that before this step. I guess it needs to double check on you. I don't need this. This is a very involved setup process. I thought it'd be real quick. Boom, boom, boom. Online. I mean, I'm not really doing a whole lot, but if you bought this for someone not so technically inclined, like if I was to buy this for my mother, I don't think she could set it up. I mean, I know she couldn't set it up. Or even my wife, I don't know that she would be able to set it up. She couldn't because she doesn't have a Windows computer. She only has a Chromebook, so I don't know if that would work. But you know, I thought this would happen really quick. Of course, I am setting up all the features here, but either way. I mean, if it has to go through all those dots, that's a lot to set up. I don't know why I need to do this.
5 hours later.
Alright, so now my printer should be set up. I am wireless. Let's just go ahead and print. Well, I guess I can just go to devices. And let's see my printers. This is HP LaserJet. Let's go to properties. This one. Let's print a test page. Alright. And I am wireless, right? It's unplugged. Yeah, so it printed just fine. Alright, so now I've already installed. So let's go back to the app. Like I said, I couldn't. So there we go. We'll just try to print something from the phone. I guess I'll download it. We're going to print this turtle. Alright, there it shows up. And we'll print. And there we go. This seems to be working. Boy, it prints super fast. WWF, World Wrestling Federation. Alright, so I think it seems to be working. I'm going to move it upstairs where it's going to permanently live in my wife's little work from home setup. And we'll test it from the iPhone, of course, and we'll test it from Chromebook. My wife doesn't care for my video shenanigans. I'll just say it did work perfectly fine from the Chromebook and it worked perfectly fine from the iPhone. So as of right now, I'm giving this the big thumbs up. See? I mean, I'm pretty happy with it, and you know, as long as it does what it should do without breaking or having problems, then I'll be perfectly happy with this device. Alright, thanks for checking me out.